Hey everyone, so this is today's simple and quick glam look. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. So just remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and yeah, just keep on watching to see how I created this stunning look. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to do an easy and quick glam look. Now, before I do any makeup, I really like to make sure my skin is prepped and primed. Now, you can do that in a number of ways, but for me, I would just like to use a simple moisturizer and maybe an eye cream. Alright, so I'm just taking this moisturizer today and I'm just going to apply it onto my skin. Alright, so now I'm just grabbing a daily rejuvenating eye cream. Today I'm going to go over the satin primer because I just want my skin to have that bit of glow, because I don't want it fully matte today, you know, I just want a bit of life in my skin. Right, so now we're going to do eyebrows. Now, it's really up to you if you want to use a pencil, eyeshadow or pomade, but today I'm going to be using eyeshadow since it's easy to use, doesn't require a lot of effort, and if you do mess up a little bit you can just sweep it off, or you know, it's easy to fix. So today for my eyebrows I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Cypress Ember just for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to leave it at that. I don't want it to go too full on because today we're just aiming for something quick and simple. So now I'm just going to do that on the other eyebrow. So today we are using the Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette, and we're just going to dip into the lighter shade, which is Chaser. We're just going to apply that with a flat brush and then blend it out with a blending brush. Alright, so now that all those shades are blended together, we're going to get the highlighter shade out from this eyeshadow palette, which is this light one right here, and we're just going to put that on the lid to give it a bit of shimmer and make it pop. Alright, now we're just going to get a brush, or a big fluffy brush, just to sweep under and like that to get any fallout, and also to shape it up a little bit so it gives it that bit of lift. Now that the eyeshadow is done, we're just going to curl our lashes and then apply mascara. Now that our eyes are done, we're going to move on to foundation. Now, it's really up to you what type of finish you want, but today I'm going to go for something more of like a glowy, dewy kind of look. Right, let's get into it. Today I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. Now this is the matte one, but I'm going to only use the tiniest amount, and then I'm not going to use any powder since this is matte. but everything else is going to be like cream base and glowy and dewy to counteract this matte base. So yeah, let's go. To buff all this foundation in, I'm just going to be going in with the Mini Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques. Now that our foundation is done, we're just going to get a concealer to brighten up under the eyes and shape the brows just a little bit. Today I'm just using the Mecca Max Life Proof Concealer, and now we're just going to blend out this concealer with a sponge, or you can just use, beauty blender, a brush, anything that works for you. So now that our foundation and concealer is done, we're going to move on to blush, contouring, and then highlighting. So for blush today, I'm going to be using the Morphe 8C Cool Pro Blush Palette. As you can see, there's a variety of shades of blushes in this palette that are all cool toned. So for people like me with red or pink undertones, this will work pretty well. I went to the blush called It Girl, and then just smile and apply that to the apples of my cheeks. So for contouring today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette. Now I really like this because it's very it's compact, but it works really well. Now I'm just going to be using this shade here just to chisel out my cheeks a little bit. Okay, for highlighting, I'm going to be using two products. Now, first off is a powder-based product. I'm going to be using the NARS Atomic Blonde Eyes and Cheek Palette. This one right here, it is called Last Call. Now, I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Setting Spray. I'm going to be using the Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Highlighter. Now, it looks like this. I'm going to be using Beauty Blender to blend it all out. I'm just going to wet it with some setting spray first. Alright, so now that our face is done, we're just going to go into lips. Now, before you apply any lipstick, lip gloss, whatever you want, always make sure to apply some lip balm or just something that will condition and just soften those lips, because I find it helps the preparation and application easier. Now I'm just going to go on with a little bit of a lip liner and then just put some lip gloss over that. The Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the shade Snobby. So now that the lips are done, we're just going to finish off the look with the Sport Fix Setting Spray by Makeup Revolution. Alright, and this is the finished, simple and quick glam look. Now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you next time.